welcome to Lesson 8 about supplements, icing on the cake, Part 1. At this point in the workshop, we have fully covered nutrition and exercise, and right now you have everything you need to know and all the tools you need to start making real progress. If I never did this lesson at all, you'd be good to go. That's why I call this lesson icing on the cake. Nutritional supplements are not snake oil or a magic pill, contrary to a lot of advertising in the supplement industry. They do not take the place of proper training in nutrition, but used wisely, they absolutely can help. The supplement industry is unregulated and can be misleading because supplements are not approved by the FDA for safety or efficacy. This can lead to overhyped advertising and lack of results. So in this lesson, what I want to do is I want to let you know which supplements are useful and which supplements are just hype and just a waste of money. So, ready? All right, the first supplement on the list is a good multivitamin. Taking a daily multivitamin is good insurance your body's getting all the nutrients it needs to perform its best and to heal and recovery from exercise its best, right? And the dosage, for most multivitamins, the dosage is 1 or 2 a day, but just simply follow the label instructions. All right, next on the list is omega-3 fish oil, which is an anti-inflammatory. Omega-3 supplements were shown in studies to reduce muscle soreness and swelling after exercise, meaning your muscles recover better and faster. Omega-3 fatty acids have also been shown to increase protein synthesis or muscle building, not to mention the long list of benefits such as increased heart health, brain health, skin, eyes, and joint health, and many others. So omega-3s is fish oil. That's a good supplement. Dosage. Full disclosure, you can get enough omega-3s by eating 12 ounces of fatty fish twice per week, such as salmon or mackerel or herring. If you don't eat that much fish in a week, you could use a supplement. So for overall health benefits, a good intake of omega-3s is 1.5 to 3 grams per day. Most fish oil capsules aren't 100% omega-3s, so you have to read the label. If you're more active, athletes and bodybuilders have been known to take up to 6 grams per day, but that's probably overkill for most of us. Whey protein. Whey protein is a protein found in dairy products. It's a byproduct of the cheese making process. Whey protein is a complete protein, meaning it provides all of the essential amino acids, making it an ideal choice as a protein supplement. Whey is also a fairly fast digesting protein. Dosage. Studies have shown that taking 20 to 40 grams of whey protein post-workout seems to maximize your body's ability to recover after exercise. Plus, you can take it as needed throughout the day to ensure you meet your body's protein needs. I don't know about you, but when it comes to trying to hit your protein goals and your macronutrient goals, protein is the most challenging for me. So I need to make sure, and if I'm low, this is a great supplement. Just, drink a cup of protein shake and you're good to go. All right, number 6 is casein protein. Casein protein is also derived from milk, and it's also a complete protein. The main difference is it's slower digesting, making it a good choice for like bedtime. If you want to make sure you got protein during the night to build all that muscle, then this is a good choice. And then there are other protein supplements such as egg, soy, and other plant-based protein. And so if for some reason you can't handle milk products or you just prefer not to, there's plenty of alternatives. Soy protein is a complete protein made from soybeans, obviously. Interesting fact, soy protein contains phytoestrogens that bind to estrogen receptors in your body, and for that reason, some men avoid soy protein. Egg protein is powdered or pasteurized egg whites. And egg protein is a dairy-free alternative, obviously. That's also a complete protein and is fat-free. So there you have it. Oh, raw egg this is interesting. Raw egg, it's pasteurized, so it's safe to eat. But egg whites can cause biotin deficiency.
Called what?
Biotin. That's one of the, I believe it's a B vitamin complex, right? So it's wise to make sure that your multivitamin contains biotin if you eat a lot of egg protein. So just a fun fact. Okay, the next supplement on the list is BCAAs, or branched chain amino acids. Ever heard of branched chain amino acids? No? If you train hard, BCAA supplements are super beneficial. There are, quick lesson on protein and amino acids, chemistry. There are 20 different amino acids that make up protein. 9 of the 20 are considered essential amino acids, meaning they can't be made by the body and must be obtained through your diet. Of those 9 essential amino acids, 3 are called the branched chain amino acids: leucine, isoleucine, and valine. And the words branched chain just refers to their chemical structure, and makes it possible to be metabolized in muscle tissue instead of broken down by the liver. It's very interesting. Since the 1980s, there's been a high interest in branched chain amino acids by sports scientists. Been a lot of research done. Data shows that BCAA supplementation reduces muscle protein breakdown and promotes muscle protein synthesis. That's what we want, right? We want to not lose muscle while we're in a calorie deficit. We want to build muscle. BCAAs have also been shown to reduce muscle soreness after a workout and therefore speed up recovery time. Relatively new on the scene is a supplement called EAAs, which stands for essential amino acids. And EAAs is basically a BCAA supplement plus a little bit of the other 6 essentials. So the claim is that it gives you a better protein synthesis response than BCAAs, but which makes sense. It might be true, but there isn't really enough research. So I mention it just because if you're doing your research, you're going to find all kinds of information. EAAs versus BCAAs, and some think one is superior. BCAAs works for me and hundreds of other people that I'm aware of. So the difference between the two is probably negligible, but like I said, more research is needed before we can say for sure. Okay, the recommended dosage of BCAAs for men is 15 to 20 grams per day, and women 3 to 5 grams, taken right around the time of your workout, either just before or after, or even during. I have a drink that I sip on during my workout that has BCAAs. BCAA products come as a powder you mix with cold water. This also helps make sure you get enough water throughout the day. Okay, moving on. Glutamine, another amino acid. Glutamine is the most abundant amino acid in your body. Your body can synthesize it, so it's not considered an essential amino acid. So why on earth would you take glutamine as a supplement? Well, I'm glad you asked. Your body's requirements for glutamine may at times outpace your body's ability to make it, meaning making glutamine a conditionally essential amino acid, such as in the case of burn victims. The benefits of glutamine supplementation in the critically hurt and sick have led some researchers to propose that it might be useful for people who are engaged in heavy exercise. The data reports that glutamine supplementation reduces muscle soreness, improves strength and recovery. Glutamine is also a major fuel for your immune system, so that's a reason to take it right there. After prolonged exercise, glutamine levels in your body drop, and this reduction correlates with an increased risk of infection. In one study of endurance athletes, glutamine supplementation significantly reduced the occurrence of infection. They got sick less. So all this tells us that glutamine supplementation can help with your workout recovery in many different ways. So dosage. The recommended dosage for glutamine is 2 to 5 grams supplemented just before or after training. Although many bodybuilders will take like 20 or 30 grams a day, that's probably overkill. I recommend starting on the lower side, and if your body handles it, then you can add a little bit more. Glutamine is recommended to be taken with the branched chain amino acids, so that's why some like pre-formulated products have contain both ingredients. So, glutamine is a controversial supplement in the fitness world. Some say that exercise doesn't decrease glutamine levels as long as you're getting enough protein in your diet. They say the same thing about branched chain amino acid supplementation as well. And honestly, we need more research to say conclusively, but I can tell you from my own experience and from a lot of people's experience that I know that both of these supplements are helpful. Again, it's icing on the cake. It's not going to make or break. If your nutrition and your exercise is dialed in, that's really all you need. But if you're crazy like me and you want to get everything you can out of it, then some of these supplements can help. All right, so that is it for part 1 of supplements icing on the cake. I'll see you right here for part 2.